a site that I really like called Color Hex. I've been using it for years, color encyclopedia website, and I can put in a color. Let's put in the color red. All right, so here's the color red. Notice that it resolves to this weird pound sign thing. But you can see that the first two characters stand for the amount of red or lack of red, depending on what color you're choosing. The second two characters, or the third and fourth characters here, represent the green, and the final two represent blue. And so, as you know, if you're not familiar with how colors work, we can mix red, green, and blue all together to get whatever color we want. Because computer monitors and all of the screens, right? We have all these screens in our lives. They are RGB monitors, red, green, blue monitors, right? Every computer screen is made up of those three colors. That's even how most computers work nowadays, right? Or not computers, all our TVs, all screens work that way. All right, so so I have a good person clarifying, right? It's a code that represents the amount. It's not primary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. But with computer screens use red, green, and blue to decide on how to create a color that our eye understands, okay?